Alrighty, I'm gonna start off by creating a new folder on the desktop. Let's call this Instagram. Alright, so after you create our folder, and you're now gonna open your code editor. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio, so I'll open that. In here, we can click Open Folder. So just go to the File in the drop down, click Open Folder. And here we're gonna click on the folder we just created called Instagram. Alright, after doing that, we can open up the terminal. In here, we can use Laravel installer, but for the sake of those who don't have Laravel installer, let's just use Composer. So let me just go to the official website for some insights. In here, make sure you go to the official Laravel documentation website. So you click Documentation. You click on your first Laravel project. This is just for the sake of those who don't know, like who are new to Laravel. Alright. And before we actually continue, you have to make sure that you have PHP and Composer installed on your machine. And if you're a Mac OS developer, we now have Laravel here. You can just research more about this. It helps you create an environment for you to manage Laravel projects and all. But for the sake of this course, we're not going to get into this. So we're just going to use Composer to create our first Laravel project. So with that being said, you can go ahead and now type this command or copy it if you want to be faster. So here in the command, type Composer create project Laravel / Laravel, and then the name of our application, let's call this one Instagram clone. Alright, now this will start the installation of our Laravel project, as you can see right here. Alright, our installation is successfully completed, and now we can do cd into our Instagram clone project. If you want, you can use this command, but myself, I like to actually open the folder, because every time I want to use the terminal, we have to do cd Instagram clone. So to avoid that, we're just going to, in here, let's go here, File, Open Folder, click Instagram, and then open the folder that we just created with all the files inside. Alright, also now as you can see, we're now in the root folder with our artisan right here, and we're going to use this to actually run our commands inside this folder. So here, just to test if our application is installed, you can open the terminal. In here, type php artisan serve. Alrighty, our server is now running on port 8000. I'll copy this link, go to our project, paste it, and voila, we have now successfully installed our Laravel application. And as you can see, we're using Laravel 10 right here. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.